Hi, I'm Marcel-Jan and today we're gonna make completely inauthentic Hiroshima-style Okonomiyaki. So, what is Okonomiyaki? Okonomiyaki is a kind of pancake that I had in Japan, in Hiroshima 2 years ago, and it was very delicious, and I decided I wanted to make this at home. And I've been looking for recipes online, and there are some, but in the Netherlands you can't get all these Japanese ingredients, or maybe you can online, but okay. So I've decided to make my own less Japanese style of okonomiyaki, and we're going to do that with a flour. That's how we start. The original recipe calls for 100 gram flour and 150 milliliters of water. I'm doing a little bit more because then I have something for another day. So 150 grams flour and so this is 150 milliliters water. It looks exact, but I'm going to wing it a little bit. It should be not a thick. Should not be thick. This is thick. That's not good. A little bit more. And apart from water, we also gonna need a little bit of Mirin, which is cooking wine. This is I think Chinese, but we're gonna need 1 spoon according to the original recipe. I'm gonna do a little bit more because the spoon is rather small, and I'm gonna need more for the larger amounts. Like this, not thick, not like Dutch pancakes that you can just throw in a pan. This is more fluid. And what we're going to do with this is we're going to put it in the fridge for half an hour. So what else do you need for completely inauthentic Hiroshima-style okonomiyaki? Oh, by the way, okonomiyaki means as you want to have it, how you like it, something like that. We're going to need cabbage. I've tried different brands of cabbage, and the best one, you need a cabbage that wields quite a bit so that the pancake gets flatter. I use nappa cabbage, as it's called, or it's called in the Netherlands Chinese cabbage or Chinese kool. One of these, scallion. And you need egg noodles, and the real recipe calls for yakisoba noodles, and I can get these, but actually these egg noodles, these are unfortunately Chinese. These are actually quite nice with this. For this I'm going to cook some water, put it in here. We're also going to need some eggs, and I'm going to need some taugay shoots, and I get these in a moment. So we're going to put a little bit of water over these. No need to cook them, just underwater is enough. Set that aside. Oh, there's one more ingredient I forgot, hoisin sauce. Also completely inauthentic, not Japanese. Okay, and here we have the cabbage. And we're just gonna cut it as fine as possible, which is always hard with the first top of the cabbage. And you don't need an extremely large amount, something like this, and you can cut it through so that it's easier to put it on the pancake. We're gonna need the scallion, the green onion. Something like this. I didn't go to any cooking school, so like this. So that's about it for the okonomiyaki for now. Another thing we're gonna need later is Japanese mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. Well, I don't know how to pronounce it, but anyway, the thing is, I don't have that either. So what I use is regular mayonnaise I get in the Netherlands. This is made with yogurt. It's nice and fresh. I'm gonna do a little bit lime juice in there. And hopefully this tastes a little bit like Japanese mayonnaise. Actually, it's very nice. So I'm going to use this. Alright. We're ready for the pancakes. So here we are. This is going to be a big pancake. A bit too big actually. It's going to be hard to pick up. Going to need these. I have the second pan ready. So this was oiled. This I oiled also because this pan used to be non-stick, but it isn't so much anymore. I have to wait a little bit longer before this becomes opaque. Now you can see it becomes a little bit drier, so I'm not going to wait too long. Here we go. We're going to put the cabbage on it here. I think I'm going to need a little bit more. I'm going to put on the scallions. I think I'm going to need another one of these as well. Another surprise ingredient. It's not bacon, but it's speck. I don't know. We're gonna put this. I think it's called bacon in English. Anyway, some cooking program this is. We need to cover this. Oh, and I forgot something else. Just 1 second. You're gonna need a little bit of hoisin sauce. Just like that. Also, definitely not authentically Chinese. On comes the bacon. Come on. I'll need another layer. Something here. Maybe something there. Just like that. What we're going to do now is we're going to put on more batter. Like this. A little bit more on top. Now, Hiroshima-style okonomiyaki is different from other okonomiyaki in the rest of Japan. I've seen it in, I had it in Tokyo as well, and there they mix just everything in the batter and then put it in a pan. I think this is better. This tastes the best. Oh, and what you also get is in Hiroshima we were at a place where they grilled this for you, and in Tokyo I had Okonomiyaki, and there they give you some kind of cooking thing to do it yourself on. Gonna have a little bit of peak underneath. So now it's about time to flip it, which is a bit hard because you have all this stuff on top. So this is my way to do this, and this actually fails sometimes. I'm gonna try it anyway. There we go. Now here we're gonna put on the noodles. With some hoisin. And because I'm extra non-authentic and lazy today, I'm gonna put the eggs in here as well and just mix it with the noodles, which saves time. Probably. This is gonna take some more time because this pan is not so hot at this moment. Alright, I'm gonna make an attempt to put this on the noodles. Then it's filled a little bit. So this is basically the end result upside down. When I put it on my plate, I'm gonna make another one and see you back in a moment. So there you have it, Okonomiyaki, completely inauthentic. What you do is you put a little bit of mayonnaise on top, a little bit of the hoisin sauce also, especially if you forgot to put it in at some step. And then, as is tradition, and who's to complain about tradition, some beer. So no Japanese beer. I have the Lekkere double organic beer. That's pretty nice. Double and triple beer is pretty good with Asian food. So I forgot the Japanese word for bon appetit, but bon appetit.